So I'm just putting those few simple keywords about this topic. I'm going to come down here to a news and commentary script. So you can try this for your channel or video that you are working on. I'm going to hit generate full script. It's going to take just a minute here because it's going to do a live Google search. It's going to verify all the information you need for this particular script. In the meantime, I'm going to come up to our title generator and put Alec Baldwin relist Hampton home. So I'm going to start generating some titles as well for this video. So I'm going to hit generate titles. Once you complete that, it's going to carry over. Let's generate our descriptions and keywords as well. And once again, this is going to take about 30 seconds or so because it's going to do a live Google search. It's going to verify some information for here. So while that's running, we can come down and see what the full script came up with here. Baldwin's Hampton house, the 21 million flip-flop. It gives us a hook. Hold on to your Hamptons estate dreams, because Alec Baldwin and his wife Hilaria are making headlines again with a real estate saga that just won't quit. After years of on again, off again listings, their sprawling property is back on the market, now commanding a jaw-dropping 21 million. So this gives us a hook, it gives us a scene. So this is a great script for a YouTube video here. So I'm going to save this to notes. So let's check out our titles as well. So it gave us five titles here. It's going to give us a star rating for each of these titles. It's going to tell us why this works. I'm not sure what title I'm going to use yet, so I'm going to save all of these titles to notes so you can try.
Alec Baldwin's Hamptons estate is back on the market, but this isn't just another listing. It's a saga of changing prices, conflicting statements, and a luxury property that just won't sell. Just when you thought the real estate drama was over, Baldwin has once again relisted his sprawling Hamptons mansion, this time with a hefty 21 million price tag. This isn't a new story for the actor. The historic Amagansett farmhouse has been on and off the market for nearly 3 years, a roller coaster ride of reductions and relistings. It first debuted in November 2022 at a staggering $29 million, only to be slashed to $19 million in 2024. Now, in a surprising turn, the price has increased by $2 million from its last asking price. What gives, Alec? Is this a bold strategy or simply a sign of desperation in a luxury market?